I'm out here doing some gardening stuff, and I thought I would do a quick update on this raised garden bed that I shared a few months ago while it was still kind of raining in winter. But I've had some feedback with questions, and I've had people that were interested in it. They liked it. I thought it looked really nice. Now, I did damage it a little bit moving it around with the tractor and stuff, because I moved it with the forks even while it was full of dirt, and I'll show the damage that I did. But other than that, it has held up pretty well, and as you can see, I actually have stuff growing in here. Now, this one is shaped where it angles inward on the bottom. It does come with this little liner fabric stuff, which I actually did use, and I filled it up with the soil, so that kind of helps keep everything together. I used this one for my strawberries, which are starting to go a little crazy. And here's where I did some of the damage, where yanking it up and stuff. This also does have a hanger here on the side where you can hang like garden tools and stuff. I mean, your little shovels, your little rakes. Oh, looks like I got a red strawberry in there. My daughter will be picking that soon. I believe in my first video I did share the assembly of it. It's pretty easy to put together. It doesn't take very long at all. I think it only took me a few minutes at that time when I did it. It's held up. I believe it is made from a cedar. As you can see, it's not deteriorating from the elements, unlike another raised one I had that's untreated. And I think it's made of a fir or something like that, and it's already starting to get mold and stuff, so I need to get it treated. But if you're looking for a really nice raised garden bed, I really like this one. I actually would love to have a few more of these. I love that it's higher up off the ground, keeps my strawberries up off the ground so the rabbits and stuff aren't coming around and eating it, along with all the other ground stuff. But I would love to have a few more of these, and I'd like to go all the way across with them back here and then use them for like my berries and herbs and stuff. But if you are looking for a really good raised garden bed, I do really like this one. I thought I would do a quick follow-up with it actually growing some stuff. And yeah, I would like to get me a couple more of these. But thank you for watching. See you in the next one.